Hi folks, what if one link could build your list, make multiple commissions, and do 90% of the work for you? So who am I? I'm Dave Johnson. I'm from England in the UK, and I've been around the affiliate marketing block a few times. And I know what works in 2025 to get results. So most new affiliates get stuck posting the wrong links, promoting the wrong stuff that confuses people, or worse, not even making any money and not helping other people make any money. So what is the mega link? I like to describe it as a Swiss Army knife. You get one link and you'll earn multiple commissions from multiple income streams. And that all comes through a proven system. So everything you see on this page and I speak about will be yours once you've purchased the mega link. So I know how tough it is starting out. I've been there, I've done that. I've spent lots of money, wasted lots of money, and made lots of mistakes. And that's why I put this bonus package together for you guys to skip all the BS out there and skip all the mistakes I made, and we can work together and grow together as a team. And you can do all that just by using the link that I'm supplying you with today. Okay, so how much is the mega link? We'll get that out of the way. $7. One-time fee, $7. That's it. You will get bonuses inside the OLSP system also. Not just my bonuses, you will also get more bonuses inside OLSP, okay? It's a massive offer combined. So let's just have a look at what you're going to get. Okay, here we are on my bonus page. Should look familiar. So as it says there, these are my insane bonuses, and trust me when I say insane, they're worth hundreds of dollars when you add them all up, and they will all help you go through the OLSP Academy and start helping you earn those much wanted commissions. So moving on to the bonuses. Now I've added this first one, 30-day branding challenge. I've added this because Wayne has some free training as a bonus inside the academy. And once you've completed that free training, you can then move on to the 30-day branding challenge. And that's when you will start noticing real results. Okay, so I've added that straight away. I've saved the most important bonus till the last, in case anybody's wondering. Okay, so you will also get access to my Co-Pilot with Dave Facebook group. That's where we're going to do all his work together. I'll be going live, I'll be doing videos, I'll be giving you things. If you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, reach out to me in there, it's not a problem. Again, priceless. Where else can you get that for $7 one-time payment? On to the next one, Content King. This is going to help you with all your copywriting skills, and combined with my special bonus at the end, it will fast track your copywriting skills to make you look like a professional within a couple of days. All right. You will also get a free one-on-one call with myself. Now, this one-on-one call is all about you guys. It's all about you. There's going to be no sales pitch or anything like that. Okay, if you ask me something, then I'll tell you, but I will not try and pitch you anything on here. We can call it an onboarding call if you like. We just want to help you get the results I'm getting, and then we can go from there. Okay. My next bonus, Master Organic Traffic. This is a must. So there's a 10-step formula for you to get high quality traffic to your landing page. Again, this will tie in with my main bonus at the end, which is Prompt Nexus. This is my very own product. I've been working on it for the last 3 weeks since I came back from being ill. Now, Prompt Nexus is AI on steroids. Basically, I've programmed it for affiliate marketers to help them, new and old. So any of you gurus out there who are watching this video, you want this. Okay, it'll create high converting ad copy for Facebook. Like I say, it was combined with the other offers. What I'm going to do, I'll let you read everything on the page, but yeah, it's an awesome bit of kit, and I don't mind saying so. I made it myself. You will get that with a guide on how to use it and what it's all about. It's not hard. You can't break it. So I'm proud to give that away as a bonus. It's not gone on the market yet. I don't even know if I'm going to put it on, but yeah, it's going to be 3 figures if I do put it on the market. Okay, folks, so I can't stress enough how important all these bonuses tie in together to make an absolute beast when you combine it with OLSP. Okay, so here's the bummer. The offer ends when that timer runs out. Now, I don't want to take too many people on at the start, so I'm going to limit it to 25, hence the timer. Okay, so make sure you get in first, and then it'll be wait till I make the offer again otherwise. But this, for $7, why would you turn it down? So act now, get all these bonuses, a massive package, and I'll see you on the other side.